What if your next ad could be written, designed, tested, and optimized for performance before your morning coffee even finishes brewing? Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. It's already happening. Right now. Quietly, efficiently, and massively behind the scenes. AI isn't just reshaping industries. It's rewriting the rulebook for how we create and scale advertising. Gone are the days of spending weeks brainstorming one creative, running A/B tests manually, or guessing what color CTA might work better. In today's video, we're going to unpack how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing every stage of the ad creative process, from concept to performance. Whether you're a solo marketer, a startup founder, or part of an agency team, what we're about to show you will not only save time, but boost ROI and unlock creative possibilities you didn't think were possible. By the end, you'll understand why the smartest brands are turning to AI, not for shortcuts, but for smarter, faster, more precise ad creation. And yes, there's a way you can try all of this free for 30 days. Grab the link in the description when you're ready. But first, let's break down how this revolution works. Let's start with what's really changed. Your creative partner is now an AI. Today, you can input a basic product or service description, and within seconds, you'll have fully formatted image ads, video spots, and text variations, all aligned to your brand's tone and optimized for performance. We're talking about a system that doesn't just generate content, it scores each version based on likely performance, so you don't waste a dime on underperforming creatives. This isn't guesswork. These systems are trained on billions of data points, from past ad campaigns, user behavior, and conversion rates across industries. Imagine launching a campaign with 100 different ad versions, each tailored, each scored, each ready to go. Not in weeks, overnight. AI now tells you which ad variant is most likely to get clicks, conversions, and actual sales before you've even spent your first dollar. You're not testing randomly anymore. You're launching with precision. This is what it means to turn AI into your creative co-pilot. And remember, this isn't just about saving time. It's about giving your audience exactly what they respond to, faster and more consistently than ever before. Want to try this for yourself? Grab 30 days free via the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about something game-changing. Scaling creative using your audience's real behavior. We're not just creating ads anymore. We're tailoring them using actual live data. Think about it. What if your ad could change depending on someone's location, their interests, whether they've interacted with your brand before, or even the weather? AI now bridges the gap between creativity and data. It can generate ad variations that respond directly to how your audience behaves. When they're most active, what content they click, even which colors they respond to more in the morning versus at night. This is precision marketing without the manual labor. Here's where it gets even better. AI enables multivariate testing on a massive scale. Instead of running 1 or 2 versions of an ad, you can now test dozens. Different headlines, visuals, CTA placements, background colors, and fonts. Each one instantly generated and pre-scored for performance. This means no more guesswork and no more creative bottlenecks. And no matter where you're advertising, Instagram, Google Display, LinkedIn, or TikTok, the system automatically adjusts the aspect ratio, format, and even copy style for each platform. Imagine uploading a single concept and having a full multi-platform campaign ready in 10 minutes. This is what creative scaling really looks like in 2025. Want to see it in action? Grab 30 days free via the link in the description. Now here's a killer of ad performance nobody talks about enough: ad fatigue. The longer you run the same ad, the worse it performs. audiences scroll past it, engagement tanks, conversions drop, traditional fix, create a new version. But that takes time. Design revisions, approval cycles, testing, delays. Here's where AI comes in, like a creative refresh machine. These systems don't wait for your ad to fail. They monitor performance in real time, and when engagement drops, they respond. New variations are automatically generated. Fresh colors, different headlines, new CTA wording, all based on what's working and what's not. It's not just random tweaking, it's targeted refresh cycles, triggered by actual user data. You're no longer reacting to ad fatigue, you're staying ahead of it. And instead of manually cycling out creatives every few weeks, you have an intelligent system doing it for you, constantly refreshing, constantly improving. This is how brands now maintain performance, even during long campaigns, without constantly reinvesting in new creatives from scratch. Curious to try this? You guessed it. Grab your free 30-day access from the link in the description. Part 4. Creative quality meets strategic precision. Let's face it, traditional ad creation often involved a ton of guesswork. You'd try a few colors, test a few headlines, and hope something worked. But today, AI has changed the game. It analyzes design elements like image composition, copy structure, emotional tone, even past performance across millions of campaigns to predict what will succeed before you launch. This isn't just automation, it's strategic precision. You're not only creating faster, you're creating smarter. And here's something every brand manager loves: built-in brand safety. The system uses your brand kit, your logos, colors, fonts, messaging tone, and even legal disclaimers to ensure every single ad stays on brand. Let's say you're preparing a Christmas campaign with specific green accents. Upload your kit once, and every image, video, and headline variation will follow your exact branding. No off-tone colors, no misaligned visuals, no embarrassing typos, just fast, polished, fully compliant ads every time. Ready to streamline your branding and performance? Grab 30 days free using the link in the description. Part 5. From workflow to results. Now, let's tie it all together from idea to launch in just a few clicks. This is what a modern ad workflow looks like. Step 1. Input a simple product or service description. Step 2. Instantly receive dozens of image, video, and text ad variants. Step 3. Review predicted performance scores based on real data. Step 4. Launch your top-performing creatives across all platforms, automatically adjusted for each one. But it doesn't stop there. After launch, the system tracks everything: click-through rates, ROI, conversions, and learns from them in real time. What worked? What didn't? What can improve? New creative suggestions are automatically generated based on those insights. Here's a real-world example. A startup with no internal design team created a 5-ad campaign, launched across 3 platforms, and fully optimized it, all in under 2 hours. No freelancers, no waiting, no creative bottlenecks, just strategy, execution, and results, powered by intelligent automation. Want to see how this workflow fits your business? Your 30-day free access is waiting. Just use the link in the description. AI-powered ad creative is no longer a distant future idea. It's happening right now. Faster creative production, smarter, data-driven targeting, and most importantly, better results. If you're still stuck in traditional design cycles, waiting days or weeks for creatives and testing, you're not just losing time, you're missing out on real growth. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who needs to hear this. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, don't just advertise. Let I help you advertise smarter. And don't forget, grab your 30 days free trial from the link in the description to get started today.